Hello delightful, welcome to my channel. Today we are making the best puff puff recipe, a classic Nigerian snack that is soft, fluffy and delicious. In this channel we'll make a lot of Nigerian recipes and more, so do well to subscribe and be part of the family. We'll start by activating the yeast. We'll add a half cup of warm water and a tablespoon of yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. It's important to activate the yeast to know if the yeast is active. This step is crucial even if you are using instant yeast. So we'll cover and allow it to brew for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the yeast has brewed. Now let's mix our dry ingredients. I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, adjust to your taste, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, and I'll mix. Nutmeg adds depth flavor to our puff puff, while salt balances out the sweetness and sugar adds a touch of sweetness. Some recipes call for milk or baking powder, but I have found that they can alter the texture and flavor of puff puff. For this recipe, we are keeping it simple with basic ingredients to get that perfect soft and fluffy puff puff texture. So I will add a half cup of warm water. To achieve the right consistency of puff puff batter, add the liquid gradually while mixing to control the consistency. Aim for a slightly loose, not runny batter. It should be thick enough to hold its shape when dropped into oil, but not so thick that it dents. To get the perfect consistency of puff puff batter, use 1.5 cup of warm water for 3 cups of flour. This is the perfect consistency. It's slightly loose, not runny, and it will hold its shape when I'll drop it into oil. Next is to let the batter rest and rise or double in size. I will scrape down the ones that stick at the side of the bowl. Then I will place it in a warm area. I will keep it in my oven and I will drop a bowl of warm water by the side to fasten the rising. This method is mostly for those that bake in a cold environment. It will take 30 to 45 minutes for it to rise. After 30 minutes, it has doubled in size. Remember that this step is crucial for getting that light and hairy texture. You need to allow the batter to rise enough. Now it's time to fry our puff puff. The key is to fry at the right temperature, around 350 Fahrenheit. That is frying on medium-low heat. After deflating the puff puff batter, scoop the batter into your hands and press to drop into the oil between the thumbs and index finger. It's not hard. Keep trying until you get it right. Here are some tips and tricks to make the best puff puff recipe. If your puff puff doesn't bounce to the top within the next minute, increase the heat a bit. Use a deep pan to fry. Don't overcrowd the pan. Don't over mix the batter. Fry at the right temperature, okay, and allow it to fry first before stirring. So that is it. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you will know when a new video is dropped on this channel. To our subscribers and returning viewers, God bless you all and thank you for watching. I wish you happy cooking. Bye.